Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do the oil change for your vehicle. I have the 2010 Lexus RX 350. So the first thing you're going to do is you open the cap right here, from here, for the engine, so the oil can drain easily on the bottom. Okay, after that I'm going to raise my car up a little bit so I can get into the bottom easier. Since it's an SUV, so it's easier to do it because it's already high, high above the ground, compared to like regular car like sedan. It's kind of low, so you have to bring it up a little bit harder to bring it up. But here I just put this lift underneath and in the front, and it just lift it up a little bit. Next thing I did was I took off this screw right here from down here. You see where's the oil leaking? That's where the screw was formed. So I took that off, and as you can see, the old oil was black, very black, so very bad. Because I didn't have time to do it. I should do it sooner, but well, I'm doing it right now. So second thing I did was I opened that cap right here. This is where the oil filter goes. So I opened that, and this is the old one. I wish you can see better. Let me see if I can get it light. Yeah. There we go. So you can see the old oil filter. And then I put a new one back up. I put it back in there and just tighten it really good. Okay. So here's the part number for the oil filter that I use. Mobil 1, M1C 251A, and then the Mobil 1 oil 2W20 for this particular vehicle. So you can look up online and find the exact model or type of oil that you need to use for your vehicle. Alright, so I don't know what should I recommend for using oil and oil filter. Is this all it's up to you, I guess. I don't want to make any judgment on this, but I've been using Mobil 1 for a long time, so everything turned out pretty good, so I keep that way. Alright, so after all the oil drained out, like that, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close this one, and then we go and let me see what else. So after that, so everything is closed. You make sure everything is closed. Everything is put back together before you put the new oil in. Otherwise, so you're gonna make sure that they are all tightened up. Okay. After that, you're gonna go to up here and use the funnel. I think the funnel make it easier. Just pour in the new oil in there. So you need to check your vehicle to see how much of oil you need for your engine. So it's depend on the capacity of the engine that it requires more or less oil. So not all the vehicle are the same, so you gotta make sure, double check that before you put it in. And you can actually check for the level using, I believe it's this one, I think. Then you can tell the level of oil is. Right now it's empty. You can see nothing in there. See, there's nothing. Alright, so that's how you check your oil. And you want the level to be somewhere in the middle of the two holes right there. Alright, perfect. I'll put it back here, and I'll measure that later, make sure everything's good. So basically it. So thank you for watching, and hopefully it's a little bit helpful somehow. If you have any question or comment, please comment below and subscribe. Thanks for your support, and I can show you my next project on the next video. Alright, thank you, have a good day.